Let's use reasoning to solve problems and then critique our reasoning. What is critiquing reasoning? Remember, it's a way to take a statement and reason about whether it is correct or incorrect. This may involve some computation on your part. Let me show you what I mean. The science club decided to make a garden. They needed 15 pounds of fertilizer for the project. Some students brought opened bags of fertilizer from home. Each bag had a different weight. 3 bags had 1.5 pounds, 1 bag had 2 pounds, 1 bag had 2.5 pounds, and 2 bags had 3 pounds. Anthony thinks that they don't have enough fertilizer. What do you think? Let's take a closer look at the line plot. Remember, we need to compute the total number of pounds of fertilizer to determine if Anthony's statement is correct. Hey, look! Anthony even showed us his calculations. 1½ times 3 plus 2 times 1 plus 2½ times 1 plus 3 times 2. Anthony multiplied first and got 4½ plus 2 plus 2½ plus 6. He then used the commutative property of addition to add 4½ plus 2½ plus 2 plus 6. He found 6 plus 2 plus 6 equals 14. What do you think? Do you see an error? The error is here. It appears that Anthony added the mixed numbers 4½ and 2½ and got 6. Let's add those mixed numbers ourselves to check Anthony's work and see what we get. An easy way to add these numbers is to add the 2 whole numbers, then the 2 fractions, and then add the results. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and when you add 2 halves, you get 1 whole. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Anthony calculated that the class only had 14 pounds of fertilizer. Since he miscalculated by 1 pound, the class actually has 15 pounds of fertilizer instead of 14. So the class does have enough fertilizer to finish the project. You did a good job using reasoning. Remember, when you critique reasoning, you explain why someone's thinking is correct or incorrect. It is always a good idea to check your work so that you can avoid making careless errors in your reasoning or your calculations. See you next time.